I'm back again to tell you that people you bring out for work and for peace did not come for peace. They come for war, and they are not genuine. Let we Nigerians, especially Anambra, let's think of this. And this is high time to stand against all those called Soludo, Udoyashi, Operation Udoyashi, or whatever.
Akwụna ife this young man na-ekwu gbasara gọvanọ Chukwuma Soludo. Ama m ife nyere mora o ji ekwu this type of okwu ọ na-ekwu gbasara gọvanọ Chukwuma Soludo. So m play the full video ka unu ife ọ na-ekwu gbasara gọvanọ Chukwuma Soludo maka ndị gọvanọ Chukwuma Soludo ji eji since. Akwa ọkọtụ aka eke ya iti onye eze Jizọs. Ka this young man pụtara online na-ekwu this sort of things ọ na-ekwu gbasara ya. So m play the full video ka unu for, but please watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also share this video so that others can see. Mama ife nyere the guy mora, nyere the mora o ji ekwu this type of okwu na-ekwu. Yes, I'm ife nyere the mora o ji just me put online na-ekwu this type of thing na-ekwu gbasara gọvanọ Chukwuma Soludo. Because me print the video kono fife okwu. This command na afọ na amechisiri ya. Yes, so I want to be this type of okwu na-ekwu gbasara gọvanọ Chukwuma Soludo. Because me print the full video ka apịrị nọ ka ọnụnụ m ka o si wepụta. Copy no kononum kosi to just watch this video ko ni fe this young man kwuru gbasara gọvanọ Chukwuma Soludo na ojiji oji akwakotu akeke yiti onye eze Jesus. That not really listen, just watch go in this video kono for.
Let we Nigerians, especially Anambra, let's think of this. And this is high time to stand against all those called Soludo, Udoyashi, Operation Udoyashi, or whatever. Because I don't know how you will bring out force and forces will enter community with no identity, covering their face, carrying dread, covering face with face mask. You tell us they are genuine. They are killing innocent people up and down, day by day. Escaping bullet killed a woman that is in her room with 2 children. She has 2 children, but that woman is dead. What will the children do? Soludo. Doing your own time, Anambra set on fire, Anambra turn to another thing. What have we done to you? What have we Anambra people done to you? This is the voice of Anambra, the beast himself. Soludo. We are not against of your forces, but tell them to be with identity and with their card. Force with no identity, guys, if anybody enter your territory, do anything that you can do to protect yourself. Do whatever you would do to protect yourself. Because people are taking advantages of those people, those forces that call Soludo, Operation Udoyashi. They are taking the advantage and dress like them to rob innocent guys.
Okay, una fugo diko okwu this guy na-ekwu gbasara gọvanọ Chukwuma Soludo. Yes, because I happen to know post all meant to be playing the full video. Go okwu abụrụ ife mụta dị iru. Thanks for watching, but please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.